time to do another shoulder holster, this time for Sam. So I picked some gear for her and got some inspiration off of Monkey Depot. I cut down another one of my vests and used it to start making the shoulder holster. I used the same method that I used for Darren's holster rig for Samantha's, and it turned out pretty good. Shoutouts to these guys, by the way. And then I finished up the rest of her rig, like the drop-down holster. I wanted this vest, her tack vest, to fit over her shoulder holster rig, and I think it turned out really well. The revolver, it sits on her hip on a drop-down holster. I think it turned out really nice. I really like this revolver, and she can grab it with her hand pretty well. I like that I have swappable hands with her now, so I could give her a hand with trigger fingers. I'm not sure what set this revolver's from. It feels like it's die cast. Somebody clipped off the trigger on it, but that's okay. I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. Also on her belt, I made a little holster for her tricorder thing that I repainted in an earlier video. I think this is really cool for it to be able to sit on her belt. It kind of fits in one way, but that's okay. I think it's pretty cool. The shoulder holster rig turned out pretty good. She could actually reach around and grab it. I had to angle it differently because it wouldn't fit underneath her vest if I didn't. I'm not sure what set this gun is from, but the magazine pulls out. I thought it was pretty cool. Perfect size for her too. I also attached her climbing gear so she could also use it as a climbing rig. This is one of the knives I made recently. It's all wood. I found a patch from one of the tactical holsters and cut it down and glued it on, so she has a nice, good sized knife. The pouch on the side is from that tactical holster. I pulled the Velcro off of it and glued it into place. Then on her back she has another communication piece of gear that she keeps in this little holster. This is actually from a Trivial Pursuit set of some sort. I just cut off the base of the toy piece. The game piece, not toy piece. I think this rig turned out pretty nice for her. I think looks great. Another custom holster design. If you guys are interested in these holster designs, let me know. I think we could work something out. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys checking it out. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.